These are some of the best AI tools for content creation for YouTube automation in 2024, ranging from video creation to SEO optimization and audience engagement. Number 1, Pictory. Pictory is great for turning written content into video format quickly. Number 2, Jasper AI, perfect for creating compelling video scripts that align with audience interests. Number 3, Canva, essential for designing attractive thumbnails that draw clicks and increase viewer engagement. Number 4, TubeBuddy, helps ensure your videos are optimized for search, increasing visibility and engagement. Number 5, Muff AI, perfect for faceless videos where you want to include narration without recording your own voice. By utilizing these tools and following the outline process, you should be able to efficiently create a large volume of engaging short videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps us out and allows us to create more amazing content for you. And let us know your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.